Hi, I'm Ruby from Sephora The Grove in Los Angeles. Today I'll be showing you guys my morning skincare routine to combat breakouts and oily skin throughout the day. The first thing I do in the morning is cleanse my skin with the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. I'm going to pump this product out in my hand and add some water and give it a good lather and then apply it onto my face. The texture of this gel is thick and tacky and I love it. It makes me feel as if I'm getting really deep into my pores, and since I'm oily, I feel like I really need that deep cleanse. It's formulated with hydroxy acid, which really break up any dirt and oil but doesn't leave your skin feeling stripped or extra dry. The cleansing process is honestly my favorite part in my skincare routine because I like to give myself a little mini massage and just get that blood flowing early in the morning. So after giving myself a little mini massage, I'm just going to clean it off with a damp towel. Next, I'm going to use the Tarte Knockout Tingling Treatment. This is a blend of salicylic and lactic acid that works for me as a preventative measure for breakouts. The acid gently exfoliates while balancing out your skin's pH, which is really important for both oily and dry skin, because if you have a balanced pH, your skin can more easily fight off any free radicals and pollutants, which can cause acne and breakouts. It does tingle a little bit, so I just like to fan my face after the application, and this also speeds up the drying process so I can then apply my next product. Now it's time for a little bit of hydration. I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum Collagen Booster. In my hand, I'm going to pump out a small amount of this serum. In the previous step, I talked about preventing breakouts. This step is about brightening up any dark spots left over from past breakouts. I like to spread it all over my hands and then press it into my skin just so that the serum can penetrate the pore. It's formulated with vitamin C, which brightens up your complexion while the collagen gives you visibly firmer skin. I'm going to use the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Mattifying Hydrator Pore Minimizing Gel. It's a very unique moisturizer that mattifies your skin while keeping it hydrated throughout the day. This moisturizer contains botanical extracts from blue iris and willow bark, which purifies and cleans out the pore. This skincare routine is all about pore minimization and preventing breakouts. So this is one of the most important steps. I've been using this moisturizer for about a month now, and I could see that my pores appear tighter and don't get as clogged with dirt and oil as much anymore. So I really like that. It's early in the morning, so I'm definitely going to need an eye cream. So I'm going to apply a right-size amount of the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I like to warm it up on the back of my hand and then lightly tap it in. Notice I'm not spreading this all the way up to my lower lash line. Just because we don't have pores directly under our eye, the product isn't able to penetrate your skin. So just keep it right below that area and you're good. Since this eye cream is yellow, it works really well to color correct any darkness under my eyes and it brightens it up instantly. It also works really well under concealer, so I use this product a lot. This product also has vitamin C and collagen, so it works to both brighten, tighten, and lift. And just because I have a little bit of extra product on the back of my hand, I'm not going to put this to waste, so I'm just going to apply it to the edges of my lips. And of course, I'm going to apply sunscreen, so I'm going to use the Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It's just super easy to use. You just spray it on and that's it. When I first got this product, I was using it to reapply my sunscreen over my makeup, but over time, it just became a habit for me to use it even when I wasn't wearing any. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys love this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.